Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. So this is one of the items I picked up, which was this awesome find for this Petty Perfect electronic nail care system. It comes with one AA battery and it's just such an awesome find. It has these three attachments and one is for filing, then buffing, and shine. Such a steal for $1. Also, I found this really cute kitchen placemat and towel set I haven't seen before, and I just thought it was really nice. And if you're a subscriber, make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video for this week's Dollar Tree giveaway and to find out who won last week's Dollar Tree giveaway. So this is what the towel looks like. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys want me to do next week's giveaway for the Petty Perfect nail system. I will do a giveaway for that. Leave me a comment. Also, I picked up these two garden stones here. I did pick up a couple of toothbrushes and some toothpaste. They had the bonus here with the free antibacterial cap. And then I found some really pretty nails. And I found these amazing little coloring books here. So these are inspired coloring nature. This one is the nature one, coloring to relax and free your mind. This one is the ocean themed. And this one is the travel theme. They did have a couple different, I think there was like two more options. I'm going to leave a picture as well and show you that. And this is what they look like inside. I did find some cookbooks as well. So for this week's subscriber giveaway, this will be the giveaway items. I'm going to pick one lucky subscriber to win both of these books here. So what you have to do to enter is, of course, you have to be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, just hit that subscribe button. The second thing you're going to have to do is hit that notification bell that's near the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I have a video out. The third thing you'll have to do is like this video, share the video, and then leave a comment that says positive vibes. And then I will pick one subscriber next week to win those two coloring books. So for the last Dollar Tree haul subscriber giveaway, the winner is Vicky Roger. So Vicky, my email address is in the description bar. Send me an email, title it I Love Fairies, and just send me your mailing address. You have 48 hours to respond. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. And I'll catch you guys really soon in the next video.